Alhamdulillah, in the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace and blessings be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. My beloved brothers and sisters, have you ever felt so overwhelmed that even breathing feels like a heavy burden? Do you wake up in the middle of the night with your heart racing, feeling like the walls are closing in on you? My dear brothers and sisters, I know the quiet tears you shed when no one else is watching. I see the invisible weight you are carrying on your shoulders every single day. You smile during the day so people will not ask questions, but inside a quiet storm of anxiety is tearing you apart. You sit alone and ask yourself when this pain will finally end. You wonder if your life will ever get better. You feel stuck in a dark room with no doors. Today, I want to speak directly to your weary heart. I want to offer you a gentle breeze of hope. You are not alone in the struggle. The creator of the vast universe is fully aware of your pain. He sees every single tear that rolls down your cheek. He hears every silent whisper of your breaking heart. Anxiety is a powerful enemy. It tries to convince us that we are completely trapped. It lies to us constantly. It tells us that tomorrow will be worse than today. But we must wake up and remember who is truly in control. Allah is the ultimate planner. He holds your future in His loving hands. When you feel like your entire world is falling apart, Allah is actually putting everything into its perfect place. It might not look like it right now. The puzzle pieces of your life might seem scattered and confusing. But Allah is the master builder. He does not break things to leave them shattered. He breaks things to rebuild them into something incredibly beautiful. We as humans are always in a rush. We want our problems solved immediately. We want the pain to vanish by tomorrow morning. But Allah works on a divine and perfect timeline. His timing is absolutely flawless. It is never a second too early. It is never a second too late. Everything happens exactly when it is supposed to happen for your ultimate benefit. This brings us to a powerful reminder from our beautiful religion. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, gave us words of immense comfort. He said that how wonderful is the case of a believer. There is good for him in everything. If prosperity attends him, he expresses gratitude to Allah, and that is good for him. And if adversity befalls him, he endures it patiently, and that is better for him. This beautiful hadith teaches us a profound lesson. Even in your darkest moments of anxiety, there is hidden goodness. Your patience is a beautiful act of worship. Every moment you endure this heaviness, Allah is elevating your status in paradise. Do not let doubt cloud your beautiful faith. You must anchor your heart firmly to the words of Allah. He gives us the absolute ultimate cure for a restless soul. He tells us clearly in the Quran that truly in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest. Just pause for a moment and reflect on those words. Only in the remembrance of Allah will your anxious heart find true and lasting peace. The material world cannot give you this peace. Wealth cannot buy it. It comes only from turning your face back to your Creator. When the anxiety hits you like a massive wave, do not fight it by yourself. Fall into prostration. Cry out to Allah in sujood. Tell Him exactly how scared you feel. Pour out your fears. He is listening to every word. He is closer to you than your own jugular vein. He will fix everything for you in due time. You just need to trust Him completely. You need to surrender your personal timeline to His divine wisdom. Let Allah take control of your life. When you fully trust His perfect timing, the heavy burden of anxiety will slowly begin to lift. You will finally be able to breathe again, knowing your Lord has completely taken over your affairs. My beloved brothers and sisters, have you noticed how your mind replays the worst possible outcomes over and over again? You lie awake and imagine every single thing that could go wrong. Your brain becomes a busy battlefield of scary thoughts. You try to figure out every tiny detail of tomorrow. But my dear brothers and sisters, you were never meant to carry the heavy weight of tomorrow on your limited human shoulders. You are just a fragile human being. We try so hard to control every aspect of our lives. We plan our days and months with such strict and rigid details. And when our plans fall apart, our anxiety skyrockets. We feel like we have completely failed. But let me share a beautiful and calming secret with you today. True peace comes from letting go of that illusion of control. You do not run the universe, Allah does. And this is the most comforting truth you will ever accept. When you try to control everything, you will constantly feel anxious. When you hand the controls over to Allah, you will finally find deep rest. We exhaust ourselves trying to open doors that are tightly locked for our own protection. Sometimes Allah closes a door because there is harm hiding behind it, but we stand there crying and banging on that closed door. We let anxiety eat us alive because things did not go our specific way. We need to shift our perspective entirely. A closed door is actually a beautiful mercy and protection from your Lord. Look at the beautiful creations of Allah all around you. Look at the tiny birds outside your window. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, gave us a beautiful example to cure our worries. He said that if you were to truly rely upon Allah with the reliance He is due, He would provide for you just as He provides for the birds. They leave their nests in the morning with completely empty stomachs, but they return in the evening with their stomachs completely full. The birds do not have a savings account. They do not have a 5-year plan. They do not sit in their nests stressing about where their next meal will come from. They simply fly out into the vast sky with absolute trust in their Creator. They do not hoard food out of fear. They know their Lord is endlessly generous. They sing beautiful praises to Him every single morning, completely free from the heavy anxiety of tomorrow. We desperately need to learn from these small creatures. Allah provides for the tiny birds. He will certainly provide for you. You are far more beloved and special to Him than a bird. You just need to practice true reliance on Him. This is called tawakkul in our beautiful faith. Tawakkul does not mean you sit back lazily and do nothing. It means you tie your camel first. You do your absolute best in whatever difficult situation you are facing. You put in the hard work and the honest effort, and then you completely let go of the result. You stop constantly worrying if your efforts are enough. You sleep peacefully at night knowing you tried your best. The rest is entirely up to the King of all kings. Your success is not bound by your own limited power. When the future looks terrifying and deeply uncertain, remind yourself of the divine promise. Allah tells us beautifully in the Quran that whoever relies upon Allah, then He is completely sufficient for him. Allah will surely accomplish His divine purpose. He has already set a specific and perfect time for everything. Read those majestic words again and let them sink deeply into your anxious heart. He is sufficient for you. You do not need anyone else. You do not need anything else. When you have Allah by your side, you have the ultimate majority. He is completely aware of the strict deadline you are facing. He knows about the financial struggle keeping you awake. He knows about the medical report you are terrified to read. He knows about the relationship that is breaking your heart. Every single detail of your life is under His careful and compassionate watch. Do not let anxiety trick you into thinking Allah has forgotten you. He never forgets. His timing is already decreed. The relief you are desperately waiting for has an appointed time. Let go of your worries and let Allah manage your complex affairs. My beloved brothers and sisters, sometimes we mistake our hardships for punishments. We look at our struggling lives and we think Allah is angry with us. We wonder what terrible sin we committed to deserve this continuous pain. The anxiety grows heavier when we feel unworthy of divine love. But my dear friends, I want you to erase this harmful thought from your beautiful mind right now. Your struggles are not a sign of Allah hating you. In fact, they are often a clear sign of His immense and special love for you. When a goldsmith wants to purify gold, he places it into a very hot fire. The intense heat burns away all the impurities. The gold comes out shining, bright, and incredibly valuable. You are like that precious gold. The trials and the deep anxiety you are facing right now are the fire. Allah is not trying to burn you into ashes. He is gently purifying your soul. He is preparing you for a massive blessing that you cannot even imagine yet. We must remember that the most beloved people to Allah faced the most difficult trials. The great prophets of the past suffered immense hardships. They faced poverty, illness, rejection, and deep emotional sorrow. Yet they never let anxiety destroy their beautiful faith. They knew that a test from Allah is a badge of honor. It is an invitation to draw closer to Him. When life is easy and comfortable, we sometimes forget to pray with sincerity. We forget to make deeply emotional supplications. But when anxiety grips our hearts, we cry out to Him in the quiet hours of the deep night. We finally experience the incredible sweetness of sincere worship. That beautiful connection is worth more than all the treasures of this temporary world. Your pain has beautifully pushed you back to the prayer mat. Your anxiety has forced you to rely completely on your Creator. This is a tremendous blessing wrapped in a painful disguise. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, shared a beautiful truth to comfort our aching hearts. He said that no fatigue, no disease, no sorrow, no sadness, no hurt, no distress befalls a believer, even if it were the prick he receives from a tiny thorn, but that Allah wipes away some of his sins for that. Just think about the sheer mercy in these gentle words. Every single time your heart races with anxiety, a sin is forgiven. Every single time a tear drops from your tired eyes, your spiritual record is wiped completely clean. You are walking on this earth carrying heavy burdens, but you are becoming lighter and lighter in the eyes of Allah. Your silent suffering is not being wasted. It is being converted into precious currency for your eternal home in paradise. You must fiercely hold on to the ultimate promise of your Lord. When the night feels completely dark and endless, daylight is actually just around the corner. Allah promises us with absolute certainty in the Quran. He says that, for indeed with hardship comes ease. Indeed with hardship comes ease. He repeats this beautiful promise twice to reassure our fragile and doubtful hearts. The ease is not just coming after the hardship. The ease is traveling alongside the hardship. Even inside your current storm of anxiety, there are tiny blessings keeping you alive. You have air in your lungs. You have the ability to call upon Him. The grand relief is already on its way to you. The darkness will break. The heavy clouds of anxiety will scatter. A beautiful morning of relief and deep joy is waiting for you by the divine decree of Allah. Keep walking forward with a patient and trusting heart. My beloved brothers and sisters, we spend so much of our precious energy looking backwards. We carry the heavy luggage of our past mistakes into our present days. You sit quietly and replay all the wrong choices you have ever made. You whisper to yourself that things would be completely different if only you had taken another path. You believe your anxiety is a permanent punishment for your past flaws. But my beautiful brothers and sisters, you must listen to me very carefully right now. Living in the past is a dangerous trap that steals your current peace. You cannot change a single second of what has already happened. The ink has completely dried on the pages of yesterday. Your past was not a series of random accidents. Every single step you took was part of a massive divine script. Allah knew you would make those mistakes. He allowed those chapters to unfold so you could learn and grow. We torture ourselves with the word if. We say, if only I had accepted that job. We say, if only I had not trusted that person. We let the guilt consume our hearts until we can hardly breathe. But our beautiful religion offers us a powerful shield against this specific type of anxiety. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, taught us exactly how to handle past regrets. He instructed us to strive for what benefits us and to seek the help of Allah. He specifically warned us that if anything goes wrong, we should never say, if only I had done such and such. He explained that, saying, the word if opens the door to the destructive whispers of the devil. The devil loves to see you paralyzed by your past regrets. He wants you to feel completely hopeless and consumed by endless anxiety. You must slam that door firmly shut today. You must forgive yourself for the moments you fell short. You are only a human being who is still learning how to navigate this difficult world. When you constantly punish yourself, you are doubting the endless mercy of your Creator. He is the most forgiving and the most merciful. If He has already forgiven your past, why are you still holding on to it? You need to release that heavy burden from your tired shoulders. Let the past remain exactly where it belongs. Look deeply into your present moment and find the beautiful blessing standing right in front of you. Every new morning is a fresh opportunity to rebuild your fragile heart. It is a divine invitation to start over with a clean slate and a peaceful mind. We often feel completely crushed by the immense weight of our daily responsibilities. We look at the mountain of problems ahead and we feel entirely inadequate. We think our minds will surely break under this severe pressure. But Allah guarantees your emotional survival in His perfect book. He reassures us beautifully in the Quran that Allah does not charge a soul except with that within its capacity. I want you to repeat those divine words whenever the panic starts to rise in your chest. He does not burden you beyond what you can handle. If you are facing a massive storm right now, it simply means Allah has given you the internal strength to survive it. He designed your heart to be incredibly resilient. He knows exactly how much weight your spirit can carry before it needs rest. You are so much stronger than your anxiety wants you to believe. trust in the emotional capacity that Allah has gracefully gifted to you, my beloved brothers and sisters. As you reach the end of this difficult journey, I want you to take a deep and gentle breath. The heavy storm that has been raging inside your mind is finally running out of power. You have carried this massive burden of anxiety for far too long. It is finally time to lay it down on the ground. You have survived every single difficult day that you thought would completely destroy you. Your beautiful heart is still beating. Your resilient soul is still fighting. This alone is a massive victory that you must deeply acknowledge. You do not need to figure out the entire rest of your life by tomorrow morning. You only need to take one small and sincere step forward. That single step is to fully surrender your entire heart to the Master of the worlds. The core message I want to leave embedded in your soul today is about beautiful surrender. Surrender does not mean you are weak or defeated. True surrender is the ultimate form of emotional strength. It means you are brave enough to admit that you cannot do this alone. You are finally allowing the Creator of the heavens and the earth to take the steering wheel of your life. When you stop fighting against the current, you will feel a massive wave of relief wash over your tired spirit. The crippling anxiety will lose its tight grip on your throat. You will begin to see clearly again. You will realize that everything you lost was actually removed to make space for something so much better. Your future is not a dark and scary place. It is a beautiful landscape designed specifically for you by the Most Merciful. We have a profound teaching that perfectly illustrates this final victory. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, gave a powerful advice to a young companion. He told him to know that victory comes with patience. He said that relief comes with affliction. And he confirmed that ease comes with hardship. This beautiful hadith is a roadmap for your entire life. Your patience through this terrible anxiety is the exact key that will unlock your ultimate victory. The intense affliction you feel right now is the direct announcement that massive relief is arriving very soon. You must hold tightly to this prophetic guarantee. Do not let the devil whisper that your patience is completely useless. Your silent endurance is moving massive mountains in the unseen world. Allah seals this beautiful promise with words that should become the permanent anchor for your restless mind. He declares beautifully in the Quran that whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out and will provide for him from where he does not expect. I want you to read those majestic words and let them heal your broken pieces. Allah promises to make a way out for you. He does not say He might make a way out. He guarantees it. And He promises to provide you with absolute peace and brilliant solutions from places you cannot even imagine right now. Your small human brain cannot calculate the endless resources of Allah. You are stressing over one closed door, while Allah is preparing an entire palace of open doors just around the corner. To summarize our journey today, you must completely stop fighting your reality alone. Your anxiety is a liar, but your Lord is the absolute truth. He sees your hidden tears, and He has already prepared your perfect relief. Let go of your desperate need for ultimate control. Trust His flawless and divine timing without any hesitation. Your pain is purifying your soul and elevating your eternal rank. Your past is already forgiven and your future is highly secure in His loving hands. Step into your tomorrow with a brave and trusting heart. The beautiful peace you have been desperately searching for is finally here. Before you leave, I want to ask you something from my heart. If even one sentence in this reminder made your heart closer to Allah, do not just scroll away. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most importantly, send it to someone you love who is going through a difficult time. That small act of sharing could become your sadaqah jariyah, a charity that keeps rewarding you long after you are gone. Comment below and let me know, where are you listening from? I want to make dua for every single one of you tonight. May Allah protect all you from all evil eyes. Ameen Ya Rabbul Alameen.